Whether you're hosting for the holidays or searching for the perfect homemade gift, I've got you covered. Today we're making 2 quick and easy chocolate bark recipes that are sure to impress. Let's get started. We'll start with the half baking sheet lined with parchment paper for easy cleanup. In a microwave safe bowl, I've got some chocolate almond bark. I'm gonna microwave this in 30-second bursts, stirring each time until it's silky smooth. Now you can use a double boiler if you prefer, but I like to microwave it. Now pour the melted chocolate onto your parchment lined baking sheet and spread it evenly with an offset spatula. Try to keep it about 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick. Any thinner and it'll snap too easily. Here's the fun part, the toppings. I'm sprinkling on some toffee bits. Now I go in with some toasted pecans and crumbled shortbread cookies. The key here is even coverage, so every bite is loaded with flavor and texture. For a decorative touch, drizzle some melted white chocolate over the top in thin streaks. It's simple but adds such a beautiful finishing touch. Let the bark set for about 2 hours at room temp or pop it in the fridge for 30 minutes to speed things up. Once it's firm, break it into pieces and that's it. What I love about this recipe is that it's quick and customizable. Add your favorite nuts, candies, or cookies to make this bark your own. The possibilities are truly endless. And it makes a beautiful homemade gift. Pack them in cute jars or cellophane bags for a personal touch this holiday season. Your friends and family will love the thoughtful gesture and the delicious treat. Now on to our second recipe. This one screams Christmas cheer. Start by spreading a thin layer of melted semi-sweet chocolate onto your parchment-lined baking sheet. Aim for about 1/8 inch thick or less and let it set for around 15 minutes. While that's setting, I've melted my white chocolate almond bark. And to amp up that festive flavor, I'm adding a splash of peppermint extract. Heads up, this might cause the chocolate to thicken slightly, but it's still spreadable. Pour the peppermint white chocolate over the semi-sweet layer and spread it gently to cover the surface. I find an offset spatula works great for this. Now it's time for toppings. Crushed candy canes or peppermints are a must. If you've got any little ones around, let them handle the candy crushing. It's messy but fun. For an extra twist, I'm adding in mini marshmallows on top because why not? They add a pop of fun and extra sweetness. Let the bark set for 2 hours at room temp or refrigerate for 30 minutes. And once firm, break it into pieces and voila. And there you have it, 2 easy, delicious holiday bark recipes, perfect for gifting or sharing. Pack them in cute jars or cellophane bags or add your own personal touch. If you try these recipes, please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and check out these recipes linked in the description box below. And hey, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more holiday inspiration. Thank you so much for watching. Happy holidays, and I will see you next time. Bye.